In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the command unit CD player radio from 2017 Mercedes C-Class, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is just size T20 and Torx screwdriver plus this dashboard removal tool. When you are removing the center console, you need to pay attention to that there are two hooks up here, one on this side and one up on the driver's side. So after you lift up the center console, you need to slide it out toward the back of the car so it comes out easily. But you have to pay more attention when you are during the installation back of the center console. You need to slide it in. The two hooks goes under the display. There's a cavity, goes right in there, and then you drop the center console. And you have to make sure that your display is covered, otherwise it could get damaged easily during the installing the center console back. The first step, you need to pop up this chrome trim plate around the center console. There doesn't have any screws, so just pop it up. There are two mounting screws size T20 which you need to remove. And the next step, you just need to pop up the whole center console. It's a little bit tight, so you just have to push it up. And before you remove the center console, you make sure you cover your whole display unit, because it might get the scratches easily during the process. Yeah, once you cover your display, then you can pop the center console on. And sometimes you might need even two people to give you a hand, because this is a little bit heavy and off shape. So you can leave it on the side. And this is the radio command unit. It has two screws, size T20 also. You just need to remove both of the screws. You put those levers down, and then you can remove the command unit. And if you need any repair for this command unit, CD player, you can send it to High-Tech Electronics in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085. And also, one of the common problems with this unit, when it doesn't work, it goes in a bootloader mode. And if you repair or exchange this unit, it needs to get programmed afterward. And sometimes after the programming, the unit would work, but for the navigation, you need to install the navigation program again. Otherwise, the navigation would not work once the radio works. But if you have any question, you can call us at 818-785-8085.